Hello friends, today I got to change the wheels for the front wheels of Raymond Reach. I bought these new wheels and need to change the bearings too. So let's first fix the bearings. I have this press wheel, so I'm gonna use it rather than hitting with the hammer and this. Now this is the other side. So this is the Raymond Reach, and you can see the rubber from the wheel came off. So as we already prepared the wheel, we are going to open it. This one is 3/8 for Allen key. So friends, this is 1-inch socket that fit properly. This is out. Both the screws are loose. This came off. And the wheels are out. Okay, so guys, I take this out and remove these two pins and take this out from one side, put the wheel back and put the pin back. Now I'm taking it back to the truck. Okay, so now friends, I bring this wheel. We need to just put it like that. You know, it's always easy to put this L-key screw first and then tight these bolts. Okay, I just hand tight this. And now this one a little bit. Now with the effect, I put the. So friends, you can see I changed both the front wheels. It's easy and simple way. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.